Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check Snapchat story views. So for this, open the Snapchat app on this Android device. So just simply go in the profile icon is the top left corner of avatar icon. So from here you will have to scroll down and tap to my story public. So from here you will just see, we'll just swipe up and see currently there are no views on my story. So you will find from here to see views on stories. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.